How to turn on Snapchat ultra wide angle lens. So first things first is you need to download Snapchat from the Play Store, create an account. Now, I just want to let you guys know that this kind of feature has only limited access. So meaning it does not work on some of Android devices and some Samsung phones, but I'm 100% sure that this will work on any iOS devices. So we'll just have to make sure that all Snapchat system settings has allowed all access to your system phone. So to check that, go ahead to settings and scroll down, go to apps, manage apps, and search for Snapchat. And then go to app permissions here. So you'll just have to make sure that camera, microphone, photos and videos, those settings allow all access for the system. Now, once everything is set, you go to your Snapchat. So it will actually show on the right corner of your screen. One of these settings it will show here. This is what the wide angle looks like. So that's how you turn on Snapchat ultra wide angle lens.